Hey everybody, my name is Morgan Meggs here at Lexus of Jacksonville in the technology department. Today I'm going to be walking you through your vehicle customization's light settings in your Lexus.
First off, we're going to press menu, then go to setup. From setup, we'll go to vehicle, then vehicle customization. Then of course, we'll select light settings. Headlights auto on sensitivity adjusts the automatic headlights to turn on later or earlier when night is approaching. Headlights auto off timer sets how long your Lexus's headlights will stay on after shutting your Lexus down. Daytime running lights will allow you to turn on or off your running lights so that even if your headlight stock is switched to auto, they still remain off. Interior lights auto off timer sets how long your interior lights will stay on after shutting your Lexus down. And finally, your exterior lights auto off timer sets how long your Lexus's exterior lights, such as your outer foot lights and exterior courtesy lights, stay on after shutting your Lexus down.
Okay everybody, that's going to conclude today's video on the vehicle customization's light settings in your Lexus. Now remember, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, don't be shy to let us know. Thank you for watching.
Oh, sorry, you weren't supposed to see any of that. You got any questions, comments, or concerns? Let us know. If you'll excuse me. Yeah.